Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the technology news for Monday, October 19th, 2015. Today in our news, we have news of the Windows 10 insider builds. There's been a leaked pictures basically of the build 10568. Now, if you're an insider, you already know that you have build 10565 that is available to you, and that was released last week. But we had pictures of 10568 this weekend that popped up on the web. Um, Gabriel All also mentioned today that for the internal fast ring at Microsoft, they were testing right now 10575, so not totally impossible that we might get a new build already this week, as we'll see. One of the features on 10568 that people were mentioning is the fact that Microsoft seems to want to push the apps a little more. And by the way, if you're an insider and you have the 10565, you have the update, Windows 10 Insider Preview October update that was released, which is KB3103470. Now, it's only for insiders. If you're not an insider, don't search for that. So apparently improves and adds functionalities to Windows 10 Insider Preview. So if you're on build 10565, why not go and get it? And other news, Google Chrome 46 was released last week, and one of the features of Google Chrome 46, notifications, which was removed, and a lot of people said, oh no, I like notifications, I don't want them to go away. Another thing that they've kind of changed is the OK Google's voice search. Apparently, they've removed the fact that you can just say OK Google to start searching on Chrome for Mac PCs, and so that's interesting. And I guess maybe because it was annoying some people that just by saying OK Google, voice search would immediately start. And I can bet you that just the fact that I've said that OK Google, a lot of people out there with Android phones might have something that the voice search start. It's like saying Hey Siri for the iPhone. And so as we move on browsers, and we'll check it out. I'll be posting some new stats and trying some new tests for browser speed in the coming weeks with my own little way of testing the browser speeds, and we'll be checking what's fast and what's not. BBC iPlayer is back in the news because they have announced that now people that access their BBC iPlayer content through VPNs, that won't work anymore. And there's a lot of talk about that, including Netflix, that is really juggling with the idea of blocking the content of Netflix through that people use VPNs. And the reason is simple. People use VPNs because they want to access content that's not available in your area. For example, here in Canada, what's popular is using a VPN to access Netflix because the Netflix content in the US is much, much better than the Netflix content in Canada. So basically, by using a VPN, you fool Netflix or you fool these apps, and they think that you are in that country. Sorry. So basically, that's something that we need to check out. A lot of us have been, kind of a little sad going to a website and, the content's not available because you're not in the country. That's always something that's not really cool. So, and sorry, here I had a little audio problem. So that was the tech news for today. Still under the weather today, I guess. The first snow of yesterday was a problem. So this was the tech news for Monday, October 19th, 2015. If you enjoy our videos, want to subscribe to our channel, you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have comments, questions, anything that you want to know, maybe problems, why not ask away? We'll try to help you if we can. Don't forget that every Tuesdays from 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, we have a live show where we answer your questions. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following us on the channel.